Hello students, today I will study you class 6 science chapter 6 changes around us. In last video we have already completed this chapter. So today I will begin with the question answer. So let us first discuss multiple choice questions. Question number from 31 to 40 we will discuss in this class. So let us start. The question 31st is, which one of the following is a reversible change? First of all, what is the reversible change? Reversible change means when a substance is undergo a reaction, there is no new substance is formed during the reaction. That change is called a reversible change. So let us discuss one by one options. The first option is water changes into ice. Water changes into ice, whether it is a reversible change or not. Water which is present in liquid form, it changes into ice which is solid, but during the process there is no number of molecules is different for the whole process. Then we can say that this is a reversible change. Look at the second option, option B, nails becoming rusty. If the nails becoming rusty, it means it will be decreased in its mass. So it is not a reversible change. Bread turning moldy. If bread turn into moldness, means it is done due to some action of yeast, and it will be decreased in its side also. Paper turning into ash. If you burn the paper, we not get the original paper back again. So option A here will be the correct answer for this question, because in case of water changing into ice, there will be no any change in its mass. So which one of the following is a reversible change? Only A option will be correct for this question, and option A is water changing into ice. Next question is question number 32nd. An irreversible change takes place when? Option A, salt is added to water, charcoal burns. Option B. Option C is ice melts. Option D, an iron nail is magnetized. So in case of charcoal burns, it is a reversible change. So option B here will be the correct answer for this question. Option B, which is charcoal burns, because if once a charcoal burn, there will be no chances to obtain again the original original charcoal. So this answer B, option B will be the correct answer for this question. Next question is question number 33rd. When ice melts to form water, then a change occurs in it. When ice melts to form water, then a change occurs in it. What change occurs? Option C will be the correct option. State change, not position change, temperature change, composition. Here will be the correct answer is option C, state of this matter is changed during the process when ice melts to form water. So option C will be the correct answer for this question. Next question is, which one of the following is a beneficial change? Which one of the following is a beneficial change? The ripening of fruit, option C, will be the correct answer. The ripening of fruit will be the correct change, and correct change means it is beneficial, because once a fruit is ripened, it will be more tasteful for us. So option C will be the correct answer for this question. Now move on to the next question, question number 35th. When ice cream melts, first his heat is lost from the ice cream. Second, B option is heat is gained by the ice cream. C, heat is lost from the air. D, heat is gained by the air. So when ice cream melts, heat is gained by the ice cream and heat is lost from the air. This will be the correct answer, and B and C is available, option number C. So C will be the correct answer for this question. Next question is question number 36th. Which one of the following is not a reversible change? Option B will be the correct answer. Boiling of an egg is not a reversible change, because once an egg is boiled, then it cannot be converted or change back into the original egg. Question number 37th. Which one of the following changes are irreversible? A, lifting up a chair. B, filling a glass with orange juice. C, cooking a pot of rice. D, bursting a balloon. C and D will be the correct changes, because these changes are belongs to irreversible changes, and C and D are available in option number D. So option number D will be the correct answer for this question. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 38. Which of the following is not a irreversible change? This is ironing of clothes is not a irreversible change, and it is available in option number A. Next question is, which of the following will lead to changes which cannot be reversed? A, addition of water to salt. B, addition of water to cement. C, addition of water to plaster of Paris. D, pouring of water on hot iron rim of a cartwheel. So B and C will be the correct answer for this question, and it is available in option B. Option B will be the correct answer for this question. Next and last question of MCQ is question number 40th. Which of the following changes cannot be reversed to obtain the original objects? A, inflating a balloon. B, bursting a balloon. C, melting of wax. D, burning of wax. So B and D will be the correct irreversible change, because it cannot be reversed back into the original object, and B and D is available in option number D. So option D will be the correct answer for this question number 40. And in this way I have done question number 31 to 40 of on MCQ part, and you will do it in your homework.